Hey family, it's Danielle. Today I am going to unbox my FabFitFun summer box with you guys. I'm so excited. I just got this in the mail a couple days ago and have been waiting to unbox it with you guys. So normally I would sit down and open it up and all of that good stuff, but I thought I've been doing a lot of sit down videos lately, so I thought I would try something different with this unboxing. So I'm gonna set it up, set my camera up, and move myself out of frame and unbox it that way with you guys, and we'll see what we think about this unboxing setup.
The snob life. The homeschooling life. The boss life. The non-traditional life. The family life.
Telling it how it is. Life outside the box.
And if you don't know what that means,
It's the non-traditional mommy.
baby.
Before we jump into this unboxing, if you're new here, hi, welcome. My name is Danielle and I am the non-traditional mommy. And on this channel, we do unboxings and reviews over different items such as purses and subscription boxes and things like that. So if you find that interesting, hit the subscribe button and join my little family. To the rest of my non-traditional family, you guys are the MVPs and I love you bunches. Now let's open up our summer box, you guys. Okay, you guys, so this is the summer FabFitFun box, and as you guys can see, it is a lot thicker than the normal FabFitFun boxes. So I'm pretty excited to see what is all in this box that it is so thick. So let's open it up. And as you guys can see right there, it's a beautiful blue color on the inside. So let's open this up, you guys. All right, so the first thing we have is this magazine, and on this quarter's cover is Miss Gabby Douglas. My husband's gonna love this. I'm gonna set this aside for him. He loves Gabby Douglas. So again, beautiful. I love the fact that, again, they have a diverse set of women that are always on the cover of their magazines. It's just nice to see that from a company. First thing I'm going to start with is this one because I do know what this one is. So let's open it up. This, you guys, is the Michael Kors passport cover. Can you guys see that? If I can get it to focus. So this is the Michael Kors passport cover, and it comes with your card slots, your ID holder. Then you have an extra slot right here, and then your passport slot. So I really wanted this passport cover. When I saw that this was an option in the box, I was like, oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I really want this cover. It's just so pretty. I just really love this cover. So I was excited for the chance to get to select this. This is valued at $78. I think it's beautiful. I'm so excited to have that. We're not traveling anywhere this year, but you know, next year, I'm hopeful that this will all be over. All right, the next thing we have is this. This is the Mason Collection diffuser, and this is from Pottery Barn. So I'm gonna open that up. There's the oil. You have your sticks, and all right, And I think that's all that's in there. Let me make sure. Yep, that's just a silicone pack. All right, and here is the diffuser. So pretty, y'all. That is so pretty. I love that color. And then you have your oil. And 11 just came in the room, y'all, so I apologize if y'all hear him singing in the background. So this is valued at $59. Next up, and this is why the box is so tall, I guess, because you had all these big boxes in here. This is a ceramic decorative vase. Now I chose the diffuser, and then I chose the Michael Kors passport cover. I don't remember choosing this. No. So this is a decorative vase or vase. Vase. And there it is. I like it. It's not too bad. This is by Isaac Mezerai. I think is what it says. It's not too bad looking, and this is valued at $28. There's that one. Next thing we have, we're getting into the facial products, which you guys know I'm so iffy about the whole facial things. But this is a Essential C cleanser by Marette. And it is formulated with vitamins A, C, and E. So there's that. I don't want to open it just in case I decide not to use it. I can still give it away. So I'm not going to open it. But this is valued at $40. So we'll see. I'll let you guys know if I use that. Then we have an ice roller. Oh yeah, I think I picked this because I have been wanting one of these forever. Let me try to get the sticker off here. My nails are so thin, y'all. I don't know if that's from the pregnancy or because I've been painting them more often. I'm not sure, but they are so thin. Yeah. So this is a little ice roller. I have been wanting one of these so bad, you guys, and just could not bring myself to buy it because I was kind of thinking, what are the chances that you're going to use that for real, Danielle? So the fact that it came in my box is so nice, but it's $30, valued at $30. And basically what you do with this is put it in the freezer for four or more hours before use, and then you roll it over your face and neck, and it's supposed to help with puffiness. And so you guys know I've talked a lot in some of my previous videos about how in my family we get bags under our eyes. It's just genetics, I think. Sometimes I think it's like that's just the way it's going to be forever because it is just genetics. But I've been trying to do things to help with the puffiness, and apparently this thing works wonders. I do know when I put my eye mask in the freezer and I sit with that on my face for a few minutes, it does help when I'm like really puffy. So I'm really curious to see if this is going to work. So I'm super excited about this. I'll do a review over this, you guys, because I am excited about this product. That was a welcome surprise. I can't even remember if I picked that. It's been so long since I've made my choices, so I don't even remember. Alrighty, so this is a roll-on fragrance oil, and I'm not sure what the brand is. Can you guys see that brand? I don't know how to pronounce that. 8 Mile Riddle. Maybe this is the brand. I don't know. You guys tell me. But this is valued at $50. Whoo, my goodness, $50 too. I don't know, y'all. This is supposed to be valued at $50. What in the world? Ooh, I don't know. I don't know if I like the smell. This is a grown woman smell. This is like your mom's smell, which sounds crazy because I am a mom. And I'm like, I remember when my mom was this age. This smells like something that she would have worn. So I don't know, maybe I'm scarred because it's like, this is a mother's scent. I don't know, it smells good, but it's like, it's weird. But anyway, so this was in here. I don't know, y'all. That might end up being gifted to somebody that's a little more mature than me. So that was in there. And then we have a makeup drop. Just a blender. Little beauty blender. Well, I guess you can't say beauty blender, right? Because it's not beauty blender. This is by Makeup Drop, and this is a hybrid makeup applicator. And it is valued at $20. So I just ordered a whole bunch of these off of Amazon. And yeah, so, but this one has something on it. It's like different. It says, it has a silicone side. So it has a silicone. So this is a silicone. I'm not really sure. That's interesting. Very interesting. The last thing in here are sunglasses by Tom's sunglasses, and you got the sunglass case. I was so excited to see these two. I picked these. These were one that I picked. So here you go. I do remember selecting those. And these are valued at $58. I'm excited about these too. I'll try them on for you guys. Oh, and it says on the top, give sight. That's focused in. That's pretty cool. You know, for every pair of sunglasses, every pair of Toms you buy, they donate a pair of glasses to a person in need. So I'm gonna try these on, guys. Let's see how these look. I think that they are super cute. I like them. So yeah, so you guys, that was my unboxing of the summer FabFitFun box. I am excited about all of these products. I actually am really excited about this box. I think it was last year's summer box. Was it last year's summer? Or was it fall? But I'll link that video to me unboxing whichever one it was. I think it was summer, but I can't remember. But I know when I unboxed that box, I was like, I am not keeping this subscription. And I talked about how it was because I didn't select a lot of the products. And I think that that is what makes the huge difference with FabFitFun. It's just being able to select your products. If you get to select them, then of course you're going to be happy because it was items you obviously really wanted. So I find myself enjoying this box more and more since I do get to select items. And I have thought about moving into the annual, because the annual you get to select more items. I think the quarterly you get to select 3, and then the annual it's 5 if I'm not mistaken. So I have thought about that just to be able to have more control. But sometimes, you know, you get these little surprises and they work out and it's like, oh, this is great. I'm glad I got this. Sometimes it's a total bust. And so what I'm starting to do now is items that I open and I know for sure that I'm like, I'm not going to use this. I will gift them. So that's what I'm doing now. And I'm just kind of setting stuff aside, especially since I get this box and the cause box. So things that I know I'm not going to use, I'll set aside and gift them for, you know, different holidays or whatever the case may be, or just give them away. So that's what I've been doing. But yeah, that's it, you guys. This little baby right here, I have no idea. I don't know. I can't decide if I want to keep it. I don't know. Like, I wish y'all could smell it. I wish y'all could smell it. It's so weird. It's like I like the smell, but at the same time, it's like, am I really that age where I like these kind of smells? No, I'm not. I'm not at that age yet. But I kind of am. It's so weird. I don't know. So this one, I don't know. The jury is still out on that one. It's a hung jury. These 3 items are by far my favorites. My favorites. Like, these 3 pay for the box themselves, because the Michael Kors the roller was $30, valued at $30. The Michael Kors was valued at $78. And the Toms was valued at $58. And I can't remember, I'll insert it here, what I pay quarterly for the box. I'll put the price on the screen, because I can't remember anything hardly these days. So if you think about that, just these 3 items that I am super, super excited about paid for themselves. I mean, that paid for the box. So I am excited to try this. I will do a full review over this once I have used it. I'm going to use it for at least 2 weeks before I do a review over it and tell you guys what I think and if I think it's worth it. So I'm super excited about that. And this gives me hope for travels of the future. So yeah, that's it, you guys. That is the summer FabFitFun box. I hope you guys enjoy this different unboxing. If you did, give me a thumbs up. And if you're still here, then hit the subscribe button, because you are now an MVP and you need to join my little family. To the rest of my family, I love you guys. You guys already know you're the MVPs, and I will see you in the next one.